I am good. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, so okay, Sam's here. Okay,
Same is here. Not sure about cake.
Again.
Hello,
Hi,
Sam.
hi Sam.
Did we have cake in the call?
I don't think she's online yet.
yeah, I don't think
Mhm.
she's here.
Okay, no problem. She's having internet issue, so she might be a little late to log in.
Mhm.
Okay, we can begin our PPC call. Okay, so how's the day so far for everyone?
I barely just get started.
Mine is
Most what?
fine.
Okay. Are you feeling well, Amos?
Yeah. Uh, I'm feeling fine. I was just saying that I barely just get started.
Okay. Yeah, for us, for me in service, it's like, you know, night, almost end of the day.
Yeah, it's kind of
Uh,
different.
yeah, it's a different. For others here in India, it's end of the day. For us night shift people, it's a start of the day.
So it's like okay, so you're like asking me how was your day, and I'm like, my day just started it.
Yeah, I should ask you how is your day so far, and to service, I should ask how is your night so far, and for same as well because she is also
Yeah.
odd hours.
Uh, hi, sorry, I was not able to hear you. Are you
Oh,
saying something?
I was just appreciating you in myself, and so as well as same because we work in night shift.
Yeah,
Mm.
correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is very hard to work in night shift, especially in summer days. By the way, I think summer days are more easy to work in night as compared to winter days. What do you think, Ashok?
yeah, I agree with you. Because in the summer days, uh, the kind of it's easy to pass night hours. You don't, uh, especially during winter, you feel very cold. So it's kind of you have to cover yourself with woolen cloths. Plus, your place of working should also be covered appropriately. Otherwise, you will just feel freezed. So winter kind of tough. Summer, yeah, I love it.
Uh, mm, does matter. Uh, Actually, in winter days, we work from 10:30 IST to 7:30, and in summer days we start work from 9:30 IST. So, does it matters? Means especially time impacts on that or not? I think if we start work from 9:30 in winter days,
Mhm.
so it will not be too hard or something. Or what do you think?
Well, actually, daylight saving makes us adjust our time during winter and summer. Uh, for approximately like 6 to 7 months, we will have this time, 9:30 IST to 6:30 IST, and this is better time as per me. However, when it is end of the daylight saving, then we just need to push 1 hour ahead, and our time will be 10:30 to 7:30. So for me, 9:30 to 6:30 IST, this is more suitable. How about you? What is your suitable time?
Sorry, suitable time.
Yeah, suitable time. Which time do you love the most?
This time, current time, 9:30 to 6:30.
Yep, same here, same here. I also love this time. For Amos, it's like normal working. He doesn't have to change any timing. But for same, yeah, for same, I think when there will be daylight saving off, then she'll pull back 1 hour before to the current time.
Mm, so that would mean my work hours would start at 1 a.m. Because right now we start at 12 a.m. here.
12 a.m. So it would be 1 a.m. Yes, actually
1
1 hour ahead. Yeah,
One.
1 hour
Oh, so
ahead.
not 11.
Yeah, but don't worry, it will come next year. I think no,
Yeah.
not next year, but this year itself. But it would be in September 2017, September or October 2017. Still a long
Okay.
way to
So
go.
it's, yeah, that's months from now.
Right. Okay, cool. Let's begin our PPC call. Uh, so we have got some wins. Uh, Yesterday, Mike from Western Motorsports appreciated Coalition's efforts. He is seeing really good results. He is seeing strong growth on his revenue. So he is actually a happy client. Good job, Amos, Sam, and everyone else who have worked on Western Motorsports. This is absolutely what any team member would want, or any team would want to hear from client, a kind of appreciation, because it will boost your confidence, it will motivate you to do even for more. Same is for Main Street Hub. I also had a call with Main Street Hub client yesterday with Charlene and Brittany, and Main Street Hub is also kind of happy. Uh, they actually approved our raised management fee for their increased spend. This is another milestone, another win that we had achieved so far in this month. Uh, Other good news is we got two new clients in April month. Falcon Car Rental. Falcon Car Rental is actually not a new client. It's new for PPC, but it's an existing SEO client. Now they want to start PPC with us. And apart from Falcon Car Rental, Wendell August Forge. Now this is a complete new client. We have a kickoff call scheduled this week. So more information will come later. But so far we got these two new clients. So we have been really going well. So good job everyone. Thank you very much for putting your hard work every day, every week. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yay.
Good job from your side, Ashok. Uh,
Yeah,
actually,
of course.
well,
It's a kind of team efforts, obviously. Uh, a team without team members is incomplete team. None team lead can do anything without his team members. So it's absolutely team efforts. Whatever we are doing, and wherever we are at the moment as a PPC team, as a coalition, it's absolutely due to all of coalition's team members. So good job, and thank you very much for the appreciation as well. Next is, okay, we have got some clients where actually we need some serious efforts in this month. Uh, Honestly speaking, for each and every client, you have always got to do something each month to make them perform. If a client who has performed really well in a given month, it doesn't mean that it can perform the same way into upcoming month. So PPC is a kind of marketing practice where you need to do pretty much everything every time to make it perform consistently. So that being said, however, there are some clients which I listed out here, which actually need some serious efforts, which needs something special from our side so that we can make them perform. So one of them in the list is Gotai, struggling to get sales. The new website, the good thing is client is actually about to launch a new website. We have done conversion rate optimization yesterday, and fortunately a lot of our suggestions are already coming into new Gotai website which client is supposed to launch. But that's not enough. Even after launching new website, we still need to go some extra miles to improve performance for them. So Kate, Sarvesh, and myself, we have got to I think we are already working hard, but we just need to go some extra miles. We just need to do some extra work to make Gotai actually do well. Same is for Defina Jewelry. For Defina Jewelry, we did not see any sale whatsoever. Once again, we need to do some serious conversion rate optimization, just like Gotai for Defina Jewelry as well. And I think we have done that. Maybe I just need to review. But yep, not only conversion rate optimization, but also campaign improvement. Uh, a lot of time what happens, you set up brilliant campaigns, you optimize them really brilliantly, but unfortunately due to some other factor or due to some other reasons, you fail to get conversions. So now since we are well staffed, we have appropriate number of accounts on each of our shoulder. So we should actually do some creative work. We should not just stick with mechanical PPC or uh, on the place PPC strategies. We should also try to be a little creative and go beyond the PPC practices and try to do some uh, some kind of other work which could impact on performance, like conversion rate optimization, doing competitor research, analyzing the product quality, the price quality. It's almost endless. So I think we are in better situation now to do that. And the good thing is we are doing that. We are doing conversion rate optimization. Not sure if you guys know conversion rate optimization, but we have got really some super 8 questions under conversion rate optimization. And based on those 8 questions, anyone can do conversion rate optimization for any client. I think Kate and Service has seen that, but Amos and same, you guys can also see that. So basically, there are 8 questions that Joel has actually prepared, and he recommends performing conversion rate optimization based on those questions. First question is, what are you selling? In this question, you should look for what kind of products a client is selling, how good they are, what is their quality, blah blah. Second question is, how does it work? Is your client's website capable to explain how does it work? In this section, you should do some research on that point of view. Third is, what are the features, benefits, pros, cons? Yeah, okay, this is very important. What are the kind of benefits or uh, uh, pros or cons your products offer to your customers? So this is covered under 3. How much does it cost? Absolutely, what is its price? Fifth question is, how does it compare to competitor? This is very important. In this section, we actually drill down competitors' website versus our website, competitors' business versus our business, and we try to note down what is good thing competitors are doing, what is bad thing we are doing compared to our competitor, what is we doing better than competitors, kind of stuff. Lastly, not lastly, sixth point is, how proven is your company? It's nothing but showing some kind of credibility. to users, to convince users, to make users confident. Seventh question is, who have you worked with before? And it's about showing reviews of your customers on your website. And what do your former customers say about you, or if you have any references? Two of these questions are pretty much similar, but it's kind of showing uh, Google reviews, Google customer reviews, or the reviews are feedback from your older customers. These eight questions are very nice questions. So we should be actually using that to do conversion rate optimization. Asphalt, Yachet Club, and La Familia. These are the clients we got towards end of the February month, but now we are in situation to spend their budget. In March month, we didn't spend their full budget, so we actually need to spend their full budget this month. Obviously, in most profitable and wise way. Remember, $2,000 is AdWords budget, and $1,000 is ad roll budget. And same is La Familia. La Familia and Asphalt Yachet Club, both of these clients are from same person, from same client. Both of these accounts are from same client. So same, our budget for La Familia this month is $2,000. And service, we need to make it sure that we spend around $1,000 on ad roll. Make sense so far?
Yep, got it.
Yes.
Awesome. Nice. Plaza Japan, uh, we need to scale their revenue in the approved budget. We performed really good last month, but the expectation is actually high from us. You would always face such kind of situation. A client would always want more and more from their budget. Uh, so for Plaza Japan, the situation is same. We need to actually increase the total number of revenue we get from their approved budget. I and Amos talked about these in a call yesterday, and currently, same. Are you working on this, right?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, cool. So I also discussed, different tasks with you.
Mm-hmm.
Trophy outlet. Here also the goal is client is actually looking to get conversion rate over 1% from non-remarketing audiences. It's a kind of surprising goal from client side, but actually he needs this. The good thing is so far in April we are hitting over 1%, but the challenge is we need to maintain it towards end of the day, end of the month. What is matters is the conversion rate calculated of the entire month. So surveys, yep. Once again, we need to do good job. Here we already did good job last year, last month, but expectation is higher. Grass cloth and more. Now this is very fluctuating kind of client. Those who know it are fairly aware about this, or those who have worked on grass cloth and more, they are well aware about the fact that 1 month is really good month for grass cloth and more, and the next month is immediately down month. So I don't know, what is tied up with this, but last month was not good, but the month before last was really a good month. So this month we can expect better, but so initial stage doesn't look good uh, in April month. So we need to make grass cloth generate consistent revenue with ROI. And lastly, Pigeon Brothers. Amos is working on this. Once again, for Pigeon Bros, we did decent job last month. We got decent number of, decent number of conversion and decent volume of revenue. But once again, the expectation here is high. We need to scale up the revenue within the approved monthly budget. So these are, the clients, the list of clients where we need to do some, we need to do extra miles. Obviously, we are doing efforts. We are putting efforts on all clients, but we just need to keep these points in mind while optimizing them. Any questions so far?
No, good.
None.
Nice. The last thing is I'm actually thinking to start a chain research on PPC best practices. You know what is chain research? Chain research is nothing but all of us pick up one topic or one area where we need to perform some research, or where we need to come up with certain best practices. We pick up a topic and we all do research on that. We note down all the important ideas, all the learning lessons that we learn through that research in a document, and then later we discuss all of those points in a kind of conversation, in a kind of call, and then deciding the points, straight away implementation points to actually implement on our actual campaigns, our actual things we are doing. What do you think about this idea, guys? Doing chain research?
I like
I
it.
think that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I have got a topic to start to give a kickoff to this interesting idea of chain research. How about performing research on non-branded best practices? Spend some time. Each of us should spend 30 minutes to 1 hour, and that you guys can do that in official hour, right? You can actually dedicate like 30 minutes to 1 hour, especially to perform research on non-branded best practices. Note down your points, and we will discuss everyone's points, everyone's gather ideas in our next call, PPC call. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense. I think that's great.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah,
Should have
fine. It is
some
fine.
time ago.
Yeah, at least we will learn something from that. So I can note down in our next PPC meeting chain research topic. This time chain research topic is non-branded campaign. So each of us will come up with the ideas. So let's start with alphabetic alphabetic name. So Amos would come up, then my points, uh, Kate, Same, and Servish. So we all will come up with the ideas. So you guys should note down your points either on your own document somewhere, or you can straight away come here and you can note down your points right here, what you learn. And don't forget to include the source of learning, the source of article. For example, if I'll go to certifiedknowledge.org's blog, if I will read any particular article over there, I'll put the source articles link right here. So that's the chain research topic uh, for next PPC meeting, when we will have kickoff call, not kickoff call, when we will have score task call. I will actually try to remember to put a special to-dos in your score task so that you don't forget. In case if I forget, then feel free to dedicate 30 minutes to 1 hour to perform research on that.
Sure.
Awesome, guys. So that was some key points for today's PPC meeting. Anything else? Anything specific you wanna discuss or cover?
Hey, Shuk, I was actually gonna ask you like, is there any one of our client is actually using double click?
Unfortunately, we do not have any such client, any such big client, I should say,
Yeah,
which is actually using double click.
yeah, I see. I know they actually covers I mean like in terms of quantity of websites, they actually covers a lot more. So
Yeah, actually, I think maybe I talked about this earlier, but double click their cost of installation is huge. Uh, None small to medium sized business can afford DoubleClick. It's actually only for enterprises level clients or for the businesses who are having huge budget for marketing.
Like in terms of like huge, like how huge is it? Like
At least in couple of thousands dollars per month, the budget to spend in a month. Or if
thousands
you,
of dollars. Okay.
yeah, a couple of thousands of dollars, hundreds thousand, I mean $100,000 per month, or even in
And
millions.
can you kind of like explain? I know like we have Google Display. It's basically on AppSend, right? And
Yeah.
we have our ad roll. Ad roll, are they just like kind of like covers a little bit more, or they cover different inventory, different real estates on the website?
Actually, Google Display Network is actually very limited website network that Google has.
Hmm.
However, double click for search or take double click for display, these are Google's bigger solutions, and they
Yeah,
have much wider and strong inventory network that
and
also go
are they?
beyond GDN.
Yeah, are they kind of the same? How
No,
like their functionality, is it almost the same as Google Display
yeah,
campaign?
you will actually find its interface pretty much similar to AdWords. You
Yeah, I
you'll
know
you'll
like
not
there's
find it.
just like orders, and then there's line items. It's like kind of
Yeah,
like different name. And I was also wondering like what's the difference between double click and ad roll?
double click and ad roll. Ad roll is only a display advertising solutions. It works on programmatic bidding, not programmatic bidding, off the set bidding.
Yeah.
However, double click is not only just a display advertiser, but it is also search advertisers as well as shopping advertiser. It offers all the solution that we offer through AdWords at this point of time. But okay, search and shopping network is same as AdWords. However, where is the difference? The difference is in display inventory.
Okay. So
That's
is
a
that it,
Mhm.
so in that case, does that mean that if one account is running on double click, they don't need to run AdWords anymore because double clicks includes everything?
Yeah, of course. If you are setting up double click, then AdWords is already coming on there. There is a
Okay.
search, there is a shopping. Uh,
I see.
the
So
biggest difference is actually in a bidding. What is double click's unique selling point is real time bidding or programmatic
oh, I
bidding.
see.
Through AdWords, through ad roll, we actually set bidding based on data, and the bidding takes into place whenever there is any auction happens, right? It's not in real time. There is a delay of whatever bid you set. AdWords will take some time to make that bid into effect. However, with double click, it's almost instantly. You set the bid based on certain parameters, and it's almost go immediately into the effect in real time. It's called as real time bidding or programmatic bidding.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah,
So
and there
it's
are
kind of clear now, because like earlier I was always thinking that the double click it's just like a larger display network.
yeah, it's not just the larger display network, but the kind of features it offers is also there, like programmatic bidding plus you can set your bidding based on profit, based on based on many things, not just like cost per acquisition or return on ad spend kind of bidding feature that we have these days with AdWords. But with
Oh,
double click,
okay. So it's almost like a management platform, right? And Google charges a percentage of spend.
absolutely.
Wow, that's so
It's,
expensive then.
this is not
Like
just even the charge for percentage of spend, but their initial installation cost is very high. I remember
I
when
see.
I was in my last employer, there was one client who was using double click, and the installation cost was $10,000 one time cost. And that's
And that
actually,
is the money just for installation that they cannot use in advertising or
it's just one time installation fee straight away go into the pocket of Google.
wow.
And the
That's
percentage of spend fee, this is for the management. This is different.
I get your point now. So it usually like when people hire agencies, like they need to pay for agencies, and then if they're using DoubleClick, they need to pay DoubleClick as well. So there would be like a lot of money just go away just by paying people managing their accounts.
Yeah, look at that. Here's the clear difference. I actually covered only a few of the points, but you can see all the points. You can also include Bing, Yahoo, and a couple of other advertising accounts into DoubleClick, and you can manage from just one interface. Able to manage multiple advertisers. It's a kind of agency hierarchy, advanced reporting options, ideal for large size clients. And here we go. Nearly real time data visibility and
Mhm.
keyword level real time bidding. This makes the major difference between DoubleClick
So
and AdWords.
it's almost like Kimsu, right?
Yeah, it's a Kenshu,
Powered
but
by Google.
yeah, but Kenshu is a bid manager, complete bid manager,
Yeah,
and it's for small to medium sized businesses. But DoubleClick is a kind of for enterprises. It's
I
very
see.
interesting platform. Even I also want to work on this. I want to learn it more. Unfortunately, we need bigger clients.
Yeah, hopefully next
So
year
Pink
we'll
Lily
start.
and Elite Wallet manage it how that they cannot afford double click.
No,
I don't
they
think
spend
so.
35,000. Yeah, they spend $35,000 per month over AdWords, and I don't think they would be agree to paying like 10,000 initial installation and then some percentage of their spend to DoubleClick.
Yeah, I mean like probably with clients has like a 200,000 of spend each month, they would
Uh,
they for them would be like nothing.
If we happen to make it 80,000 per month for Pink Lily, as they are agreed to spend that much budget if we are profitable, then probably it's possible. We can recommend DoubleClick to them. But I don't think it's actually possible in near future at least.
Well, we need to
so
find something else.
if we compare both AdWords and double click, so which is more profitable?
DoubleClick is very strong solutions. It offers you bid on your keyword almost in real time, acquire the traffic in real time. And there are a lot of bidding strategies, like you can set profit dollar. I mean, you can set bid based on your profit, and you are much more likely bringing in results as per your direct goals, like generating these amount of profit or this much percentage of profit. These kind of strategies at the moment are not available in AdWords, right? We
Yeah,
set manual bids based on our manual calculations. However, with DoubleClick and also like with Kenshu, you can set bidding based on your direct profit. You can also
that's totally
connect,
different.
yeah, and even there are more advanced features, like you can connect your big commerce directly with DoubleClick. Big commerce is reporting your revenue from online store, and then directly you can calculate your profit from there, and you can set bidding, and you can make it complete automatic. You don't even need to look into that. DoubleClick will automatically set your bid based on your profit, which is visible on big commerce. This is just a kind of way it offers the kind of advanced features DoubleClick offers.
Yeah. Right.
All right. So that was really an interesting and productive meeting, guys. Thank you very much for joining, and have a
Yeah,
good
thank
day
you
ahead.
for explaining all this to me.
Yeah, of course, not a problem. Yeah, it was a good discussion. At least we got to shed some light on DoubleClick apart from AdWords, because there are solutions in the market which are now taking online marketing to another level. So we
Yeah.
must learn about them. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.